Ensure your safety, guys.
First, let's make a way from there.
No, you can. Might will need.
You can use that balli in the board portion.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all? All good?
Good, sir.
So here we are, a group of 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to start the GTO series, that to the ground series of the GTO. The first task of GTO, like C has got recently into the SSB, so she'll be sharing her experience. Can you please tell me what is the first task of the GTO series in the ground?
Sir, PGT.
PGT. What it stands for? No idea. Any idea, Abhinav?
The planning group task.
Wrong.
Progressive group task.
Progressive group task. Anyways, you all are freshers right now. This is your first session. That is okay. ठीक है ना? So attempt लेने हैं, पता है तभी सही जवाब देना है. ठीक है ना? तुक्का नहीं मारना है. This is the first rule. ठीक. Second thing, it is known as progressive group task. What does it mean?
So a group work together and progress.
So the difficulties keeps on increasing with each obstacles.
Exactly. Second, दोबारा तुक्का नहीं मारना है, समझना है, उसके बाद आंसर देना है, राइट? सो जैसे मैं 2 सेट राइट नाउ कि डिफिकल्टी लेवल कीप्स इंक्रीजिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द टास्क. व्हाट डू यू वांट?
Suggestion.
हाँ, तो यू कैन स्विच. नाउ व्हाट will be there in the PGT? Do understand this thing? What is the basic role of GTO? Till this time, you will be assessed on the basis of your psychology, on the basis of your interview. Interview might be after GTO, interview might be before your GTO, right? It depends on the situation. But the third task is GTO. इसे ग्राउंड टास्क भी बोलते हैं, ग्रुप टास्क भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो अब ये ग्राउंड टास्क में हम पहुंच चुके हैं. बिफोर PGT and HGT, we'll be starting with GD, group discussions 1 and 2, followed by GPE. उस पार्ट में क्या रहेगा? You have to sit in a space, closed space or an open space. At the time, as a group, you have to participate. But those tasks will be just sitting and speaking. आपको कुछ काम नहीं करना होगा, but आपको दिमाग लगाना होगा, काम करना होगा. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में you have to just give your ideas and your opinions, and you have to participate accordingly. And GPE में it is a group planning exercise. It is like GPE को इम्प्लीमेंट करने आप ग्राउंड में पहुंच चुके हो, सपोज, ठीक है ना? आपको इस जगह से उस जगह जाना है, टाइम फ्रेम दिया है, कैसे जाओगे, बीच में ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं. इट इज समथिंग लाइक उसका प्रैक्टिकल वर्जन. आप लोगों ने उसमें लिखा है GPE में. और GPE में कितने इफेक्टिवली आपने लिखा है और कितने प्यार से आप लोग बताते हैं कि हम इतने प्रैक्टिकल तरीके से हम काम कर लेंगे. बट दिस इज द ग्राउंड रियलिटी, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट. अभी भी आपका ग्रुप टास्क है, ये पूरा ग्रुप एक साथ होगा एंड दे विल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग. यहाँ पे GD1 GD2 के बाद आपको पता चल गया होगा कि भाई द वन हु आर वेरी मच अग्रेसिव इन नेचर, हु आर वेरी मच सपोर्टिव इन नेचर, बाय सीइंग देयर बिहेवियर इन द ग्रुप टास्क, राइट? इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन 1, ग्रुप डिस्कशन 2 एंड GPE, एंड यू विल बी हैविंग a little idea about their personality, their characters, कि किस टाइप का बंदा ये है, अभी ग्राउंड में कैसे काम करेगा, कितना सपोर्टिव ये काम करेगा. सेम हैपेंस फॉर GTO. GTO will be writing out the points accordingly. Getting my point? इस टास्क में there are 4 obstacles as mentioned by chest number 2. 4 obstacles रहेंगे, basically 4 stages रहेंगी. Progressive group task, you can see this is the stage 1, this is the stage 2, 3rd and 4th, right? These are the things. And as it is known as progressive group task, तो progress करेंगे levels accordingly. पहला level will be a smaller one, second a bigger one, more difficult, third more difficult, and the fourth one will be the most difficult task. अब ये हम लोग सब ग्राउंड में उतर के आए हैं. This is like a game. ठीक है ना? आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, गेम खेलते हैं, कोई भी गेम में मजा नहीं आता unless or until there are certain rules. With the rules, game become interesting. Do you play any game?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा खेलते हैं? वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं. अगर वॉलीबॉल में नेट की हाइट स्पेसिफिक नहीं होती तो क्या खेलने में मजा आता? नहीं आता. अगर नेट टच करने का फॉल नहीं होता, क्या खेलने में मजा आता? नहीं आता. अगर लाइन क्रॉस होता या होल्ड का फॉल नहीं होता, क्या मजा आता? नहीं आता, राइट? इन द सिमिलर वे यहाँ भी सर्टेन रूल्स हैं, एक मजा दिलाने के लिए, साथ में आप लोग को डिसिप्लिन लाने के लिए, ठीक है ना? देखने के लिए कि ताकि तुम लोग काम कर पाते हो विद दो सर्टेन रूल्स. इसके रूल्स क्या क्या हैं हम डिस्कस करेंगे अभी, ठीक है ना? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल, लाइक हु हैज कवर्ड द PGT बिफोर? यस, चेस्ट नंबर 1 विल बी टेलिंग द फर्स्ट रूल.
So first rule would be the color rule.
पहला रूल बेसिकली ग्रुप रूल होता है, ठीक है? समझने की कोशिश करना. ग्रुप रूल इज द फर्स्ट रूल. ग्रुप रूल का मतलब क्या है? यू आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ 8 candidates. We'll be coming to the color rule after that, okay? 8 candidates are there. आप 8 एज अ ग्रुप काउंट किए जाएंगे. इस 8 ग्रुप में क्या करेंगे आप लोग? 8 के ग्रुप में इफ यू विल बी कंप्लीटिंग द फर्स्ट टास्क, ठीक है ना? यहाँ पहुंचे आप, पहला बंदा क्रॉस हुआ, ठीक है ना? फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट क्रॉस दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन, सो ही इज नॉट सपोज टू मूव बैक एंड लुक towards the another task for making the idea for the another task. Reason being, this is a group rule. Group rule says if a person has accomplished first task or the PGT, then he is not supposed to move back. Rather, he is supposed to support the team. Entire team is supposed to cross this particular line. Then only you can switch to the next task. तो इससे मतलब क्या चलता है? तो चटकी दिखाते हैं काफी कैंडिडेट्स एसएसबी में. वो क्या करते हैं? पहले पहुंचते हैं ताकि हमारे पास आइडिया आ जाएंगे, हम इंप्लीमेंट कर लेंगे, आगे पहुंच जाएंगे. दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर द ग्रुप. और ये फौज इज ऑल अबाउट यूनिटी, ठीक है ना? एंड द कॉमरेडरी एंड द ग्रुप एंड टीम, ठीक है ना? ये वर्ड्स मैंने आपको बताया अभी बहुत वैल्यू रखते हैं एसएसबी में, ठीक है ना? नॉट इन एसएसबी, फौज में, नॉट ओनली इन फौज, पूरे लाइफ में, ठीक है ना? और दे आर लुकिंग फॉर द टीम प्लेयर्स ओनली. हाउ इफेक्टिव टीम प्लेयर you are, it will be shown over here. Like chess number 5 mentioned in her SSB, what was happening? 4-5 लोग खड़े होके एक बार जा रहे थे, फट्टा बल्ले में लड़ाई कर रहे थे, ठीक है ना? It was happening like that. So you are not supposed to mention in this way, and none got selected. Correct? Reason being, तो group effectiveness नहीं था वहाँ पे, because they don't want those people who cannot walk along with the group. They are looking for the people who are not a single solo player, rather they are a leaders as well as the one who is a good team player, right? So you have to showcase that particular quality. That is the first rule, that is a group rule. तो कभी भी क्या करेंगे, कभी भी आपका टास्क कंप्लीट होता है, यहाँ से भी आप अगले बंदे को लाने के लिए, रिट्रीव करने के लिए वहां से आइडियाज लगाएंगे, इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे. यू कैन मूव ओवर हियर, राइट? दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल. सेकंड रूल एज मेंशन बाय चेस नंबर 1 इज कलर रूल. गाइस, अब कलर रूल क्या होता है? You are able to see in the structures, right? All the structures are like colored with 3 colors maximum.
White, red, blue.
White, red and blue. Very nice. White indicates
That it is friendly to both us.
it is friendly or inbound for both of you. Both means you can stand or you are helping materials. These are the helping materials, patta, balli, choti balli and rassi. These are the helping materials right now. ठीक है ना? So your helping materials can touch the white portion as well as you can also touch. So it is inbound for both of you. Red, whereas, is totally opposite of white, which means it is out of bound for you as well as for your group or the helping material. ठीक है ना? और if we'll be talking about the group, the entire group, how many people are there in the group? 8. It won't be 8, it will be 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct? These are the group members. So you are supposed to take care of these helping materials also. These will be also considered as a group. Because if your rope is here, you have reached here and you will start the next task. Will it be eligible? Not. Because you won't be eligible for the next task. Reason being, your one player of the group is not reached there, has not reached over there, right? This is what you are supposed to understand properly. Second rule, I have told about color rule, white and red. I have explained these things. What blue indicates? Blue indicates that it is inbound for you. Human being इसमें खड़े हो सकते हैं, not your helping materials. Helping material नहीं रख सकते इसके ऊपर आप, ठीक है? हेवी मटेरियल कैसे रखेंगे? रखना है तो आप खड़े होकर उसको हाथ में पकड़ सकते हैं, ठीक है? बट यू कैन नॉट टच इट डायरेक्टली. करेक्ट? दिस इज हाउ यू सपोज टू यूज दीज कलर रूल्स. ये पूरे टास्क में आपके काम आएगा कलर रूल, ठीक है ना? ग्रुप रूल, कलर रूल. थर्ड रूल इज
Rule of rigidity.
रूल ऑफ रिजिडिटी. रूल ऑफ रिजिडिटी क्या बोलता है? आपके रिजिड हेल्पिंग मटेरियल्स क्या है? फट्टा बल्ली, राइट? आप फट्टे और बल्ली को बांध नहीं सकते टू एक्सटेंड द लेंथ टू मेक अ ब्रिज. Are you understanding? This is rule of rigidity. Rule of rigidity says that no two helping materials can be tied together to extend the length of those. ठीक है? But what you can do? You can tie it over here. Over it you can keep another helping material to extend the length. But you cannot tie two helping materials all together with the help of the rope. Are you understanding this thing? So open your ears properly, okay? Chess number 4. I'll be asking you all the rules after this, okay? Coming to the fourth rule. फर्स्ट हो गया ग्रुप, सेकंड हो गया कलर, थर्ड हो गया ग्रुप ऑफ रूल ऑफ रिजिडिटी. फोर्थ वन रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. गाइस देखो क्या है ना, हमको लगेगा कि वहां पे इन एसएसबी व्हाट विल बी फाइंडिंग, दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट विल बी टिल दैट टाइम एक्सटेंडेड. तो ये जो लाइन है यहाँ पे, जो इनिशियल लाइंस है आपकी, ठीक है ना, तो इट इज एक्सटेंडेड टिल इन्फिनिटी. इट मींस दैट यू कैन नॉट कम ओवर हियर. नहीं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? यहाँ से आके यहाँ पहुंच के सीधे, ठीक है ना? बट रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी सेज दैट द इनिशियल लाइन और द एंडिंग लाइन, ठीक है, इट इज एक्सटेंडेड टिल इन्फिनिटी. इट मींस यू कैन नॉट क्रॉस इट. रादर यू कैन गो टिल दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. यू कैन नॉट कम बाय क्रॉसिंग दिस. क्योंकि आप लोग कहेंगे सर हम तो अंदर से तो आए नहीं यहाँ से आगे. एंड मेन पार्ट इज दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज out of bound for everyone, you as well as the helping materials. Only you can use these structures over here for crossing this task. Coming to this fifth rule. डिस्टेंस रूल. देखो क्या है, आप में से कई लोग एथलीट होंगे, कई लोग अच्छे खासे लाइक लॉन्ग जंप वगैरह करते होंगे, ठीक है ना. तो आपने क्या देखा कि यहाँ से भाई इजीली आई कैन रीच टू दिस पार्ट, ठीक है, आप जंप करके पहुंच सकते हैं, ठीक है ना, बाय योर पोटेंशियल. बट डिस्टेंस रूल सेज दैट यू आर नॉट अलाउड दिस इज नॉट अलाउड फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग योर आइडियाज.
यहाँ से डायरेक्ट जंप कर.
एग्जैक्टली, वैसे भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं, बट डिस्टेंस रूल सेज अगर डिस्टेंस जनरली 4 फीट रूल बोला जाता है उसे, लड़कियों के लिए 3 फीट रूल होता है. रीजन बीइंग आपको एक्सटर्नल अपने आप पुश करना पड़े जहां से, ठीक है ना, इसे स्ट्रेच नहीं करनी है. जब बिना स्ट्रेच करे आप इजीली पहुंच रहे हैं, दैट डिस्टेंस यू कैन कवर. बट इफ यू हैव टू स्ट्रेच योर लेग्स यू कैन नॉट कवर दैट पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस, ठीक है ना, और जंप नहीं कर सकते. उसके पीछे का रीजन क्या है, आपको दिमाग लगाना है और आपको टाइमली पहुंचना है. सो यू कैन नॉट जंप फ्रॉम दिस पोजीशन टू दिस पोजीशन. आई बिलीव दैट एवरीवन कैन जंप. यहाँ से यहाँ कोई भी जंप कर सकता है भाई, ठीक है ना, इट्स नॉट वेरी फार. तो आप लेकिन ग्रुप रूल क्या कहता है, नहीं लाइक रूल ऑफ डिस्टेंस क्या बोलता है, डिस्टेंस रूल, कि यू कैन नॉट गो टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. इसे 4 फीट रूल भी बोला जाता है, ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द कॉमन रूल्स, ठीक है ना. 5 रूल्स होता है, रिपीट करता है, ठीक है. पहला रूल ग्रुप रूल, ठीक है ना. सेकंड रूल कलर रूल. थर्ड रूल रूल ऑफ रिजिडिटी, ठीक है ना. फोर्थ रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी. फिफ्थ रूल डिस्टेंस रूल. सो दीज आर द बेसिक 5 रूल्स, राइट. इसके अलावा कोई रूल है तो बताओ. एक ये रूल है बेसिकली, दिस इज आउट ऑफ बाउंड फॉर यू ऑल, ठीक है ना. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स. अब जो टाइम मिलेगा, व्हाट जीटीओ विल बी सेइंग, he will be asking you to appreciate all the tasks. He will be taking you from first task till the end task, and he will be asking you that what you are able to figure out. आपको यहाँ पे कितने 3 दिखे, ठीक है ना, structures. Here you will be finding 1 2 3 4 structures. There will be finding more, ठीक है ना, and उसके बाद ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. तो accordingly distance भी बढ़ेगा, structures भी बढ़ेंगे, difficulty level भी बढ़ेगा, ठीक है. तो पूछेगा आपसे कि after moving to the place, I'll be asking you the same thing afterwards, ठीक है ना. Do one thing from just number 8, you have to move till that particular end, ठीक है ना. ये सीधे सीधे वहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे, लास्ट रास्ते तक हल्का हल्का रन जॉग करेंगे, ठीक है ना. यू डोंट हैव टू वॉक, हल्का हल्का जॉग करके वहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे. वहाँ खड़े हो जाएंगे आप 20 सेकंड के लिए. 20 सेकंड में टास्क देखेंगे, फिर वापस जैसे 1 फॉलोइंग करके यहाँ पे पहुँचेंगे. यू कैन मूव, कीप लुकिंग द टास्क. Till the end you can go. Now stop. Now you can just observe the tasks. Now you have to come back. Chest number 1, start coming, running, very nice. Okay, so I believe you all understood about the tasks, right? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now you only tell to complete all the tasks, all the 4 tasks, how much time will be required? जिसमें आपको लगता है कॉन्फिडेंटली आप कह सकते हो कि सर हाँ इतने टाइम में हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे टास्क. जिसमें से आप बताइए.
तो 30 मिनट.
30 मिनट कर लोगे? आप बताओ.
35 to 40 minutes.
35 to 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Sir, no idea.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. 40 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. देखो 30, 40, 45, 35, ठीक है ना. ये आपका आया है, तो I'll be giving 40 minutes, ठीक है ना. Now tell one thing. How much time will you be requiring if you have to divide 40 minutes to complete 4 tasks? How much time for the first task?
10 minutes.
Very nice. आप बताओ.
10 minutes.
आप बताओ.
It's about 12 minutes.
Per task. 12 हो जाए 48 हो जाएगा.
No sir.
40 minutes.
Per task नहीं, 10.
10 minutes per task. आप बताइए सर.
सर इट्स अबाउट ऑब्स्टिकल. यहाँ 3 है तो आगे 4.
हाँ. So पहले टास्क में कितना लगेगा आपका?
8 minutes.
8 मिनट पहले टास्क में. सेकंड टास्क में?
Then 12.
12. Okay, ये he is a bit right now. He is saying कि difficulty level के according हमारा टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. कि जो भी टास्क आपका easy होगा उसमें कम टाइम लगना चाहिए, ठीक है ना. That tells about your sense, how your sense are working, ठीक है. अगर आपने 10 मिनट लगा दिए यहाँ पे, दूसरे में 10 मिनट लगा दिए, 20 मिनट आपका काम हो गया. अब तीसरे में भी 10 मिनट, तीसरे 10 मिनट में नहीं हो पाएगा आप लोगों से, ठीक है ना. तीसरे में आपने 15-20 मिनट लग गए तो आपका 40 मिनट खत्म. Then what will you do? 40 में पहुँच ही नहीं पाएंगे आप लोग, ठीक है ना. इसलिए टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Are you getting this point? तो अभी आई विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू 40 minutes.
एक क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, yes, any doubts if you have, you can ask.
जैसे हम एक स्टेज हमने पार कर ली और हम दूसरे स्टेज पे हैं, मतलब दूसरे वाले ऑब्स्टिकल पे हैं, तो ऐसा भी कोई होगा कि हमारा मतलब जो ये है वो जहाँ पे नहीं रखना है वहाँ पे भी रख के हमें पास करना है।
I'll come to that part. Like he is very much right now. ठीक है ना? I'll explain you this thing. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है ना, आपको SSB में क्या मिलेगा, जो वाला पोर्शन है वो यहाँ पे बीच में आपको गैप मिलेगा इतना, ठीक है ना? ये इनिशियल लाइन और एंड लाइन के बीच में गैप मिलेगा, बट यहाँ पे गैप नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ द रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ द एरिया, राइट? अब हम क्या कंसिडर करते हैं, ये आपकी एंड लाइन है पहले टास्क के लिए। जब सब लोग यहाँ पे आ गए तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप सब लोग पीछे आएंगे, तो वहाँ से अपना हेल्पिंग मटेरियल नीचे रख लेंगे, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे दोबारा, करेक्ट? अब यहाँ पे आप हेल्पिंग मटेरियल नीचे नहीं रख सकते, पास करना है तो पास करेंगे, रोप को भी फेंकेंगे नहीं, ठीक है ना? रोप फेंक के तो कैच करवा सकते हैं बट फेंकेंगे नहीं, ठीक है ना? यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट द रोप। तरीका है पास करने का, फट्टा बल्ली को भी कैच कर ले भाई, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है ना? उसको आप तरीके से रूल फॉलो करते हुए पास करवाएंगे। रूल ब्रेक होता है, फट्टा बल्ली आपका जमीन में लग जाता है गलती से, तो वो टास्क को आप रिपीट ऑटोमेटिकली करेंगे विदाउट बीइंग कॉट। सपोज आप चढ़ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे आप चढ़े, आपने बनाया प्लैंक, आप चढ़े, गिर गया, नीचे गिर गया, तो यहाँ से उठा के नहीं कर रखेंगे, यहाँ से ऊपर बैठ के उठाएंगे नहीं, वापस जाएंगे, दोबारा लगाएंगे, दोबारा जाएंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, करें? इनिशियली आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट यहाँ पे दिक्कत आई तो वापस नहीं आएंगे यहाँ, तो उस टास्क को रिपीट करेंगे, गॉट इट?
मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ऐसे हम इस पे खड़े हैं और आगे हम पे एक चीज ऐसे रेड वाला ही है, तो हमें उस पे रख के जाना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा और कोई चांस ही नहीं है, बस वही है कि रेड वाला होता है।
नहीं, वही तो टास्क है, ऐसा आएगा आपको लगेगा, लेकिन उसके पीछे भी एक सोल्यूशन होगा, ठीक है ना?
सॉल्यूशन होगा,
100% होगा,
जानबूझ के वो माइनस कराने के लिए।
नहीं ऐसा क्यों होगा यार?
ऐसा नहीं है।
SSB का फुल फॉर्म है सर्विसेज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड, दे आर देयर टू सिलेक्ट यू, ठीक है ना? इट्स नॉट अ रिजेक्शन बोर्ड, सो दे आर लुकिंग फॉर योर मेंटल कैपेबिलिटीज एंड ऐसा आपको लगेगा, आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस थिंग, सो तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है, ये कैसे पहुंच जाएंगे, ठीक है ना? बट उसके पीछे भी एक रीजन होगा, उसके पीछे आपका दिमाग लगाओगे, जुगाड़बाजी बैठाओगे बेसिकली इन नॉर्मल टर्म, ठीक है ना? आप काम कर लेंगे, लेकिन जुगाड़बाजी तो लगेगी विद बाय फॉलोइंग द रूल्स।
रिस्क लेके भी टास्क किया, वैसे
रिस्क लेके करो, फुलिशनेस और करेज में डिफरेंस होता है, ठीक है ना? रिस्क करेज दिखाता है तो दिखाओ, रिस्क में फुलिशनेस है कि मैं यहाँ पे अपने आप को पिन डाल के खड़ा कर दूंगा, ठीक है ना? इस टाइप की जो दिखाते हैं ना गॉट टैलेंट्स में, तो वो फुलिशनेस है, ठीक है ना? एक्चुअल टैलेंट है वो दिखाओ, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, करेज वाला पार्ट है दिखाओ। और हाँ, यू कैन नॉट यूज ह्यूमन फोर्स, ठीक है ना? ह्यूमन फोर्स यूज नहीं करेंगे आप, आपने भाई तू एक साइड से पकड़, एक साइड से मैं पकड़ता हूँ, तो बैठ के आ जाते को ले जाते हैं, ठीक है ना? ह्यूमन फोर्स इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, करें? यू आर सपोज टू यूज प्रॉपर फोर्स। ह्यूमन फोर्स सपोर्ट के लिए यूज करेंगे, फोर्स भी यूज नहीं करेंगे, सपोर्ट के लिए, ताकि आपका ये डिसबैलेंस ना हो, है सपोर्ट के लिए तब यूज करेंगे। बट यू कैन नॉट यहाँ पे थाइज में रख दी, मैं बहुत भाई बलवान हूँ, ठीक है ना? थाइज में रख लेते हैं, काम हो जाएगा, ऐसा काम नहीं करना है, करेक्ट? व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, तो दिस इज द थिंग हाउ यू आर सपोज टू डू द थिंग्स। प्लीज
सर, हम मतलब ये ब्लू वाले में टाई भी नहीं कर सकते?
नहीं हेल्पिंग मटेरियल ना हो, टच नहीं कर सकता आप हेल्पिंग मटेरियल को, करेक्ट? एनीथिंग एल्स?
नो सर।
अगर टास्क कंप्लीट होने के बाद अगर हेल्पिंग मटेरियल गिर गया तो फिर?
हाँ, तो ऑब्वियसली दोबारा रिपीट करोगे, एक बंदा करेगा, सिंपल। हाँ, तो कंप्लीट करने का वहाँ गिरा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा,
इसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद आगे गिर गया तो फिर ये रिपीट करना पड़ेगा?
हाँ नहीं, आप यहाँ पे हो, यहाँ गिर रहा है तो रिपीट करना पड़ेगा, आगे गिर रहा है तो इसे उठा के वापस रखना पड़ेगा, फिर काम करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? दैट्स द थिंग। एनी फर्दर डाउट्स सर? मैम?
नो सर।
मैम? सर? मैम? सर? सर? एनी डाउट्स?
नो सर।
ठीक है, सो विल बी स्टार्टिंग, टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ, यू कैन स्टार्ट प्लीज।
Okay, friends, I'm thinking make a bridge over here and then we can.
Just number 3 you will move.
Okay, one can go. I'm providing support. You can go. Just number 2 you can also.
No, there is no space.
Please.
Yes.
You can use the bandi.
You can use this.
Please shift it
I'll छोड़ ही दो।
so that we can make a space.
Place your leg a little right side. We can keep the bali over here and we can use it from that side.
There is no rope.
Okay, just number. We're going and I will support you from there.
Just number 3 you will go.
Hold it. Huh?
Okay. Now one person can also come.
Well done. By this way, how many of you can reach to this place?
That's a 1 minute approx. So 7
So we 7 people can go.
7 can reach. But unfortunately, what happens? You 3 reached here while this structure broke down. This structure broke down once you 3 reach here, right?
Yes.
Now what will you do? You 3 can reach. You can go. You can take whatever you want to take.
So from here.
You can reach from this place. No worries. I accept this idea, but this structure has broken now. Now you are left with this plank. You can hold it, and this balli. That's all yours.
Okay, so we can use now 2 person,
Excuse me.
8 and 4, I can stand there. I think we can use a balli to make a.
Yeah. We will do that. Let's try this idea. We can give me balli. The porting test number 684, you can send there. Send that way. Send this.
I think you use plank.
Will work. Okay, give me small balli. Give me plank. Yeah, you can just help.
You
can
can
pass
place
me rope.
rope there. Let's make a rope.
I think you should use a longer one balli so that it will not touch the
Chest
rubber
number
part.
1.
चढ़ के कूदना पड़ेगा.
Although the idea is acceptable, but I won't allow you to walk in this because it might hurt you if you fell down. Right? Its elevation is pretty high. So try another approach.
Chest number 1, try with the help of balli. You can directly place balli over the rope and place the balli here.
They can also
It will
flip
be
from
easy.
there, no?
From downside, yeah. Let's try from above first, then
Okay, we will implement the idea of test number 5.
please help me to take. First,
Then also it touch the right part.
So when you move, it will come out from that side.
Okay, I have one more idea. Please only.
as you mentioned, we can do like that. We can place it
Yes, it will be.
from downside. Pass it from your right corner. Not like this, from inside of the bench towards you.
Chestnut 5, will it be workable?
We will have to tie the rope for that.
Chestnut 5,
We can.
what do you want? Wait a second. What do you want? Chestnut
I'm
5.
saying like there is a
You can go. You can go inside.
Plank in that place.
Wait a second. You can go inside. Do that part.
But it will do.
But it should work. Make sure. You
I have one more idea.
You have to implement it.
Okay,
You have
test
to walk
number
over
2,
it.
3 and 5. You can put the balli there and you can stand over
Wait a
there.
second. Wait a
and
second.
I will.
She's implementing some idea. Let her do hers.
Chest number
Is there anything which can hold it?
can use plank.
Yes, sir.
Chest number 5. Is there anything which can hold it? If there is not something, right? How can you make it
We
happen?
will have to use the
We-
rope.
we can
Tie
do
the-
like
from
this,
the
but
rope.
it is not reaching.
For
there.
that,
Anyways,
we can
go back.
We can do one. Chest number 2, 3. You can stand on the balli.
Like
Just yeah, just more. So it is less than 4 feet now. We can stand there.
Try it. Go.
No, it's,
No, go.
I have one idea. That we should fix that plank, this bully inside, and then we just attach plank and to this side.
From inside.
Yes, and we support a plank.
You can
on
come
this
here
side.
and implement this.
He cannot come. Like, wait.
Just pass that
Just
now
a
from
moment,
that.
Can you implement this plank to
How will he come here?
obstacle and will
No,
Wait.
sir, he was saying from here he will do.
you fix that bully inside this.
I tried it. It's
And then it's come sideway, and then you fix this plank in inside that.
Yes, 10 minutes have gone. 10 minutes have gone. You have not completed your first task.
Number one, can you implement this plank to below this obstacle and that
Yeah,
will-
for that we will have to tie the rope. Na? How we will do
you will tie the rope that to the plank,
that? Yeah,
on this
I'm
side.
tying.
and I think it will be reached to that second obstacle.
Chest number 1, what do you want?
So I will tie the rope here.
So,
from here
after that?
to there, and I will put the plank here.
Okay.
So from the ahead, sir, it will give the support to not go down.
Okay.
And from the back side, sir, it will give the support.
Okay, I accept this idea.
Yes, sir.
Do one thing. You tie it.
Yes, sir.
How many can reach? All except one, right?
All except one, sir.
The one, you are the remaining one. You tie it, stand here. Others can reach to the place. Others, you can reach to this place. If you want someone's help, you can ask them for helping you out. Okay, then what will you do after this?
After this,
We'll just adjust the plank. It will support it from that obstacle.
No, how will he retrieve the rope? I'm saying.
The first rope
Sir,
is
he
there and then
will
How will he retrieve the rope? जब वो वापस आ जाएगा rope कैसे लाएगा?
he will first passes the rope and we will make a way from it.
Do that way. Make the way.
so, what we can do now?
See,
If you can make the way right now, why didn't you make the way before?
Yeah, we can put the plank over here, and we can retrieve the last person.
okay.
Do that.
Place
Let me
the
check.
plank
Place the
above-
plank over there.
over this,
So wide now.
like this, Rosie.
Yeah, it's less than 4 feet, sir.
You can go. Try to go.
Please stand there 2 and 3%.
Be specific. 2 and 3. किसको भाई लड़कियां हैं वो किसका weight कितना ही होगा उनका?
Chest number 8, chest number 4, chest number 6 also.
You can face your opposite.
yeah, give me the rope.
Fine. Now move back to the line. Now start please. Second time.
I think so we can use this part.
We can place the balli over this part and on the white one, and we can easily walk over this one.
It is less than 4 feet. We can directly go there.
We can directly go there. We can place the balli in that one. Sorry, the plank.
You can. I think it will be easy with the help of balli, as balli is long.
Okay, I will go there and we can do it.
One person will support.
Give me balli.
इससे वही हो गया 4 लोग जाएंगे तो ये टूट जाएगा फिर
Okay, we will make
Okay,
the idea
come.
from there. One person
We
can
cannot
go.
make the condition na, that is give us a right to go.
Chest above one.
Okay.
You can go there. Chest above 8, give him support from.
Okay, now one by one all can come.
Okay, I will go first.
Chest number 2, pass
Give
this
them
balli also.
Damn.
Go back.
Both of you have broken the rule. Do one thing. 20-20 push-ups. Both. 20-20 sit-ups. Both.
Fast, do fast away.
20-20 sit-ups. 2 and 3. Others can continue the pass. Chest number 2 and 3. Do 20-20 sit-ups.
You also.
You have also broken the rule. You got inside. आप अंदर घुस गई थी. हाँ.
I'm going.
Chest number 5, please stand there and help them. Other person had to come here.
20 each. हाँ.
Man, you can stand there and help them. The person who will come there. And it will stable the
First,
balli
pass
also.
me the balli and go. Take this. Not throw. Don't throw.
Wait, I am coming.
Yes, stop.
इसको हम ऐसे यहाँ फंसा सकते हैं
Chest number 5, you will come.
Chest number 6, you have the ideas ना? आपका idea है तो बोलो. तो कहना कि we can also
I think you
place it here
Can you come?
over the shoulders.
you will.
First,
I will give you support. I will give you support.
Don't hurt yourself, guys. Make sure.
I think chest number 4, you should also come.
Put one leg. Easy push it, and then easy. One by one. Chest number 4, 6, please come.
आप लोग चलो
Chest number 5, you left the balli. I think they will come. You will hurt.
no, I will.
Chest number 1. Why you're holding these things? Keep it aside. नीचे रख दो. नीचे रख सकते हो ना? एंड में आ चुके हो. नीचे रख दो इन्हें.
आपको वहीं रुकना है।
डोंट स्पीक इन हिंदी। चश्मा 6 कीप इट बैक नो इश्यूज।
Chest number 2, you stay there. At chest number 6, you can come. Now you come. Slowly you can move. And
Now
hold
retrieve
there.
it back.
Yeah, you can put your one leg, left leg on the right blue portion
And
and
one-
right leg to the bully
You can
portion.
put
and
your one leg here. After that, you can retrieve.
No.
Hold on now. Go back.
Okay.
have to
chest
go
number
back.
6, you can come.
No, you can
गिर
go
के
back. यहाँ नीचे गिर के जाओ, वापस रखो इसे ऊपर और पीछे से दोबारा आओ। ये ब्लू में रखा है, ये it will be fall ना।
No.
Shift it
from-
white portion.
portion.
Shift it right.
Chest number 1.
Yeah.
Can you exchange the position with it?
Yeah.
Let him try first. No?
You can come and you can pass. Slowly. Okay, 1 minute. I will go there. And you can pass.
Now you can come. You can slide.
Yeah.
Please hold it.
Okay, we can directly.
We can directly reach
Entire
there.
rope over here.
See, but we can directly go there, and there is a
then we
white
can plan.
portion. We can directly place the balli there. And we can
I think
put
one
the-
person should go there.
Balli will take longer time.
Okay, we can use the bully. Give me bully.
Instead of bully, I think
We can use a plank, yes.
plank. No, its surface area
Don't
is
touch
more,
it.
so it will be stable.
और सुनो, जब भी रूल ब्रेक होता है ना, उसे कैजुअली मत लो। रूल ब्रेक किया ना आपने, नीचे लगाया ना, कैजुअली पकड़ के चले गया। व्हाट डज इट मीन? उसे रिस्पेक्टफुली उठाओ, वापस जाओ, उसके बाद अगर दोबारा मेरे को पास करो।
No, it will not.
Will not reach there.
No, just
रीच नहीं कर रहा था ये।
So reach.
Reach नहीं कर रहा था।
try once more. तो थोड़ा.
Just put it.
No, just
Yeah,
It will slide.
No, it is not. No, it's not.
हाँ, तो जब नहीं हो पाया उसके बाद कहना नहीं, मैं पकड़ के सीधे नहीं रीच कर रहा है। अगला बंदा इसे करा भी देगा अभी रीच।
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, hold it. I will go there.
Yes, you will come just in
And one will leave here.
प्लीज इंश्योर योर सेफ्टी गाइस, ठीक है ना? आई वोंट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सेफ, लाइक इफ यू गेट हर्ट।
You will put a. Okay, now, okay.
More
Give me.
persons can go.
Put a plank.
Chest number 3, you can go.
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
How will you pass the balli now?
This one. Please hold it. And now, continuously, we can come.
Okay, just
Please give me a plank, ma'am. Please.
I can.
I will try it.
just 5 minutes.
इंश्योर योर सेफ्टी गाइस।
First, let's make a way from there.
No, you can come here and stand there, but be careful about the red push.
Let me move back.
Just you can go back.
पीछे जाइए, नॉर्मल जाइए। हाँ, पीछे से पीछे खड़े जाइए, दोबारा स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Put your foot urgently rather than
We can walk away from it.
Or you can give me a hand.
Just hold it tightly, so that it will not rotate.
सपोर्ट है। वन पर्सन होल्ड इट, वन पर्सन होल्ड है।
From here, this is the blue
ऐसे ही पाँव तो
portion. We
उसमें
cannot
फंसेगा,
touch
देखिए
it.
आराम से। What's the plan? 1 and 5. What do you want?
We can make a loop of rope.
We can.
We can easily use
Chest number
the
5, you can
white
directly use
portion,
the bully to
That's
reach
not
that
white portion, it is blue
Yeah,
portion.
we can use it. Let me give a bully, please.
So where you had put your leg?
Chest number 2, put the
Yeah, that is right.
plank from chest number 1. You can use bully directly, I think it will completely reach to that part.
No, it's not.
It's not reaching.
Use plank.
No,
It,
blank
it
is
is
not.
smaller in length.
Okay, considering the portion where you are standing, it's a white portion. Okay,
Yes.
it's not a blue, it's white.
So
Give
then
me.
pass the rope.
You can pass the small bully. Give me plank, ma'am.
You can take the help of rope also.
Please pass the bully.
You can directly use the bully also in the blue part as it is white.
Pass the plank.
Well done.
You can make a breeze now. Ma'am, you can remove bully and
Chest number 2, first of all, you go there. Make it reach.
You can come with the help of rope.
You're taking a lot of time, guys. The idea is workable, but you're taking a lot of time. Do it fast. Make it fast.
Give me the bully.
pass the bully, ma'am.
Don't put your leg. Okay.
Ma'am,
Chest number 2, give me
Chest
the
number 5,
bully.
you can also go.
Chest number 2, first give me the bully. You will come from that side and give me this. Chest number 3, come. Come back.
सर हेल्पिंग मटेरियल भी रेड में टच नहीं
Chest
करा
number 2,
है।
till the time we can make a breeze from here. So that
We have to
Okay.
wait for the last person.
Come back.
Slowly just in it.
okay, chest number 3, wait, chest number 7 or 4, you can come till the time.
Easy.
Just slide
Hold
through
it.
the bully.
Yeah, just slide through and make
And
a
try
bully.
to
Place your leg a
feel of the
little ahead.
blue part.
Just slide. Chest number 4. You can just slide to
slide.
that
You
first portion.
can hold your foot now horizontally. Yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
perfect. Just slide your leg.
One can also hold it.
You're just wasting your time, nothing else, huh? Time is running.
You give your
Chest number 3, slide your leg. Slowly. Slowly. Yeah, perfect.
Chest number 7, come. First of all, you will go from them. Wait a minute.
chest number 2.
Chest number 2, give her support.
Be careful about it.
Now chest number 2, you
Bully.
can come.
Chest number 3, give me the bully from that part here.
Ma'am,
Don't
please
place
do
your
not
leg
put
there.
your
Chest number 3, don't place your leg there. In that way.
Wait. Come back. Now you can go. Put your feet in the blue part.
Other can also hold that na bully.
Chest number 4. First of all, you try to move from that.
chest
Chest
number
number
4.
4, just
Put your
slide
leg
slowly.
horizontally.
And try to put your feet on the blue part. Okay. So you will adjust yourself into the right direction. Okay. Nice. Good. 3rd feet on the blue part.
30 minutes gone, guys. 30 minutes gone. You're just stuck in the third task. Only 10 minutes are left for the final task.
Chest number 3, you can come.
Chest number 4, give me the bully.
Chest number 4, there is a red part. Please do not put leg on the plank.
You support the
Be cautious of
And there is a
Focus
red,
onto the first part,
red
second part, and
booking.
third part of the blue part.
See what you can do, you can move from here.
Chesna, for you're breaking the rules, huh? You're touching the red portion
Put your
from back
both legs
side.
here.
Yeah,
Ahead of
that side, na? From that
On the
side you can look.
On the plank to focus on the
but
right
ahead
part.
of the-
Okay.
yeah.
And you need to put your feet on the right part. That is
You
the
can
blue
put your
part.
right leg
rather than
there.
move to this side.
This side.
Okay. So always focus on the blue part. Okay, easy. Easy. Yes. You will also easy.
Chest number 8, pass the rope also.
Pass
Pass the rope.
You can pass it.
Slowly, slowly.
Chest number 4, you can come.
1% can come. Chest number 4,
4 you will go. So 4 you will go, 7 will give me the belly.
come here first.
Just put your leg and jump in.
7 you break the rule.
Don't place your leg above.
Chest number 7, till the time you can
We have to
you can
adjust it
adjust
again.
it. The bully now, you can put it forward a little bit. Just be careful about that part.
Place your leg on the blue part.
You make a space for
Place the
Chest number 7.
leg.
Chest number 7.
Don't place your
Chest number
leg
7.
on the
Chest
plank.
number
Place
7.
your leg
Just your
on the
leg on the white portion.
will go.
And the bully, small bully, you can hold it from hand. Yeah, put it forward. On the that blue part.
तो प्लान अपने पास पकड़ लो ना प्लान उठा लेना
Please.
Yeah, now
you
it's
will
ready.
Now it's ready. Just about. And look it. Do not hold. मतलब put your leg on there.
उसको बोलो जैसे मैं 7 को बोलो जैसे मैं 7 यहाँ देखो सुनो मेरी बात ठीक है ना देन आस्क
Chest number 7.
जो चिल्ला लो नहीं सुन रहे
Chest number 7.
Yes.
जो भी है
Don't put your leg on the bully.
On the plank also.
The bully है मतलब from that side ना.
You can
The plank
put your leg
portion
on the
which is,
white
from
portion.
that part.
क्या
You can do not.
अंग्रेजी बोल रहा फ्रॉम दैट साइड
6 you will give me the belly.
Chest number 7, you can come. Directly come. You can jump.
Easy.
Perfect. Oh, nice.
Okay, now what you are planning to do now?
So from
How will you
here,
retrieve chest number 8? How will he come? Full
we
support
will
him.
make a bridge from here.
Full support him. यहाँ से वहाँ तक बना देगी ब्रिज
No. We
No.
can come.
Okay. Chest number 8 you can come.
It will slide.
I take a cutter on this to
Yeah.
support.
डोंट हर्ट योरसेल्फ लड़के
You can come.
भाई देखो दिमाग लगाओ वहाँ पे कहाँ पे अटका सकते हो कोने कोने में लगा दो इसके जहाँ पे वो टूटा हुआ है वहाँ पे लगा लो
Not.
No, chest number 8 you can come. You can easily come. Okay.
The belly
Just right one.
flip. How will you come?
माइट विल नो
You can use that bully in the board
Yes,
portion.
yes.
Fine.
Chest number
Try
8.
one more.
Good try.
Chest number 8, you can shift that bully in that side.
To your right.
Sir, actual GTO में जो टूटा हुआ
To your right.
Just touch it to the white portion of board. That
ऐसे नहीं होता क्या?
सेम
पैटर्न ऐसे ही होता है.
It's a right side.
Okay, it's right. You can come here.
उसको सपोर्ट ही बनते हैं
This one is group of rope. You can provide support.
You can go back and
आ जाना.
pass the bully.
Now you don't
you stay here.
passes the plank. You move it slowly.
Chest number 8 and chest number 4, please stand there.
Now give it back.
Chest number 8 and 4. Chest number 8, 6, 4, 6.
This plank. move the plank a little. I will let them.
चेस्ट 6 क्या आइडिया आपका? चेस्ट 6 व्हाट इज योर आइडिया?
So I will stand there and
Chest number 4, please. You can.
So yeah, you are giving report with the help of bully.
A little more to less than 4. Actually, I will go with.
That side.
We can use Balli.
Chest number
We can use the
I will
Balli.
come.
Chest
Now I
number
will
6.
come.
Just
You
give
are
him
doing
my
that
1%
with
more.
the help of bully. Do that.
This person was sitting. Good.
Okay, but we can do. Place it back.
2% sit from that side to support
Chest number 4,
the.
please. Stand
Place
back.
it back. We can.
Chest number
place
4 you
the
also
bully
put.
there.
No, it will be.
No, but chest number 4 you also come under the plank. Okay.
You can just.
ठीक है, come to the initial line of task 4.
Yeah.
Because longer
We have so long.
distance, I
Okay,
think we should go from
I have
there.
one idea. We can directly reach there in a very short time. Okay, let's see.
But the Balli distance I think is
Okay,
not
fine.
sure.
Give me Balli. Give me plank. One more person come for help.
No, it's not.
It will be workable. Give me a rope.
But it is.
We can make a direct bridge now.
But how can go the chest number 5 at the distance is so far?
No, we can use the plank there. Oh, Balli there.
Okay, you will try. Please move the planks a little more forward.
Make sure the rule of rigidity है.
Yes, sir. Chest number 1. Make it like this. Vertical line so that we can make a
move it,
90-degree angle with there.
Yeah, fine. I can understand.
You are touching the rope too long.
This one is making a bridge.
Yes, he is making a bridge.
Okay, it is tight now. You can use Balli.
Just make it tight.
Give the Balli to chest number 1. Chest number. Give me Balli.
Chest number 1, as I have suggested you can place it vertically and then you can directly,
Fine.
then you can not
No, it's too long.
that vertical, but a little.
Slightly you can.
Move slightly to the
like
left,
this.
left.
Yes, so that it will take a more
Okay.
surface
Up now
area.
you make a 90-degree angle with the help of Balli.
Yes.
It will work well.
Chest number 6. You can place your leg
Chest number
on the
6, you
plank
can
and
place your
give
leg on the
support
plank
from there.
and hold the Balli. So that chest number 1 easily
Yes.
get to that part.
Perfect. No, opposite side. Place it the opposite.
Fine.
Yes, yes.
One more person coming.
6. Chest number 6. Go there and support it.
One more. Okay.
Don't
Wait,
place your leg.
wait.
Who have longer hands, that person can.
Ensure the safety, guys.
Chest number
Chest
6,
number
you have to support it from the
You can hold
cushion
that
there.
Balli.
Touch it.
You will hold the plank from this.
गाड़ी से निकालो, गाड़ी से निकालो, गाड़ी से निकालो, पीछे वाली पीछे निकाल देना.
Chest number 1, what you can do, you shift your leg, hand ahead and give him support and chest number 8 can pass.
I think so we can change the plan. We can use this plan.
Okay, one more time I can try, and thereafter we will.
What's the idea, chest number 1? What's the idea?
So we will go from there, na, direct.
Okay, this is workable idea, but how you are going to implement it? You have make the proper bridge, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you'll be coming, will you not fall down? If no, try it. What is required? How you'll be going to fix this particular bully with the plan?
Yes,
Someone person is required to
So,
hold it,
I
right?
will go there, and thereafter I can hold from.
No, how will you go reach here? This is the question, right?
So I will.
Chest
You
number
can try,
8, you can
but-
sit and place your leg ahead.
Chest number
and
one,
you can
let's
directly
try
support
first.
it. Yes.
No, it will move. The plank will move as the chest number 1 move forward.
You can lie down.
Okay, you can stand. You can stand like that.
It will be easier. Like don't place your leg there, but
Okay.
you have to give support him.
गाइस आर बीइंग खतरों के खिलाड़ी हैं.
How will the last question?
We will look into
That should be sense of appreciation, understand, gentlemen. इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं. How will the ask यहाँ change? What is
Chest
this?
number 8 is
Support. You also give your contribution.
Just one by one, please come.
चश्मा हो जाएगा सर.
I think chest number 4 will hold the plank and
Chest number 4, you
भाई
can
कम सेफली हैं.
hold that one from the.
Don't fall down यार.
Chest number 4, yeah, you can stand there, na? Chest number 5, you can do it.
अबे सुन, चश्मा 8. You stand up. ये पकड़ेगा पीछे से. आपको रस्सी से पकड़ के करोगे क्या? अबे चढ़ मत उस पे. आराम से.
Fine. Okay, wait. The body here.
One more
See,
person.
two persons can go there, directly place the balli on the white portion. Chest number 1.
Chest number 2, hold the body.
Okay, while you're doing this thing, one person fell down, suppose, ठीक है, and this structure got rooted up. This is structure, ठीक है ना, got rooted up, and one person fell down. Now he is safe. Basically, he is ready to move on. So untie the rope, take the heavy materials back. You can keep whatever you want to keep along with you.
Come. We have to untie this rope.
Okay.
Chest number 1. Take the balli back.
Chesam 4, give your ideas, give support them.
Okay, give me plank.
Yes, go like that.
Rather than plank,
I will
body.
put back the
No.
plank.
Pass me plank. Chest number 6, give me the plank.
No down.
Okay, pass me small body.
Where you going, gentlemen? Which place?
Chest number 1.
You have to reach here.
Yes,
This is the end line.
one person. Yes, the rest one
Okay,
will come here, na, sir.
okay.
Chest number 1.
You can keep it. Yes. Tell me.
Tie the rope around the balli,
Huh.
and then you can directly put it on the white portion.
Yeah, I am also doing this.
You have plank here.
Give me, please fold the rope. Chest number 5, please fold the rope.
What do you want? You are looking for the rope over here?
Yes, sir.
बल्ली दो, उनसे का रोप इसमें बात के वापस लो, या फट्टे को दे दो, इसमें अटका दो रोप को, ले आओ.
Balli will be easier. Pass the balli.
नहीं कर लूप ऐसे करके वो बना दो ना उसका. हाँ, जैसे बना रहा है वो लड़का. हाँ तो वो सही कर रहा है. बीच में रख लो, ले जा दो.
The plank, the plank.
इन लोगों को खड़ा क्यों किया यहाँ पे? ये लोग चले जाते ना. अभी यहाँ से है तो जाना आगे को है ना, आगे निकल लेते. What happened? Fainted?
No, sir. Okay. Till the time now you can go there. Put the plank there.
Chest number 1.
Yeah.
If you directly tie the rope here, you can directly make a bridge.
It will be stable, no?
Direct breeze.
Yes.
It will not reach. Let me try it once and thereafter. Fine. Give me plank. Now it's less than 4 feet. You can come here and give me balli.
There is red portion also, huh? Chest number 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till the time you can go there. 1 minute.
She is in uncomfortable position right now. Like,
You can go back now.
क्यों?
You can come. I will go.
I'll go.
Go back, come, go back, come. अच्छा, कूद क्यों रही है उस पे? आराम से रखो. Wait.
Give it. No, it will accept the problem.
Place it there.
Fine. The someone you also hold the balli. You hold the balli.
Chest number 5.
Yes,
Hold that one.
Okay, come.
I'm going there.
You hold the balli, chest number 1. No, can come. Ma'am, slowly here put the leg.
First of come back. Take support.
Chest number 1, give me the balli.
Okay. That time I am standing.
One more person can come. There is less space here.
Place it there. Slowly, chest number
Slowly.
3.
And ma'am, you can go there.
Yes, come.
2-3 को खड़ा कर दो यहाँ पे.
Now, chest number 8, you can. I will go.
Sorry.
Chest number 2, you will go forward and make a space for me. First of all, you go.
No, it won't be like.
You can go like you can place the balli over here and over that structure.
Yes.
That way structure. Chest number 2. First, let him come first. He will support you from there. I will.
Till the time one person can. Slowly put your leg.
You can place your leg on that right
Put
side.
it here.
Chest number 2, you use the
you can
balli
do it.
and make a path. I think this
You can put your leg from here.
No, you can come over here. That one is moving. I can't put my leg over here.
One more person can go there.
To stabilize.
It is better you can go because it
Ma'am.
take a lot of space. So it's better.
One person can go.
Chest.
You can.
मैम सर नहीं चेस्ट नंबर बोलो, ठीक है ना? चेस्ट नंबर.
Yes.
now I will go to the white part.
Now take this balli and make a bridge over there.
Chest number 2, move the head.
No, chest number 8. Wait.
That one is right.
सत्या.
Then we can make a
Chest
bridge.
number 8. You can.
Chest number 8. Chest number 8.
Come back. Here. ऊपर खड़े ऊपर.
Chest number 8.
यहाँ पहुँच.
It's better to stand at chest number 5 because it
Okay, I'm
take
going.
less space.
Take less space.
Chest number 5. Chest number 5.
Follow.
Chest number 5. Put the balli there and you can directly make the bridge.
Yes, I'm doing that. No, chest number 2 you can go.
Chest number 2. Put your leg in between the balli.
Okay. Just help me to pull out this. There is the smallest one. Okay, now you can go. Just don't place your leg. Go from the right side.
Just directly
Go
put your
from
leg.
left side. Chest number 2, go from
Chest
left
number,
side.
Easily. Yeah.
Don't place your leg here.
Ma'am,
Oh,
put your
science
leg-
test.
Don't
Student
place
हो।
your leg
Put your
here.
right
Just
leg,
move
to
your
the-
leg from there. Yeah.
Go.
Just pass. No, you won't believe it.
No. 50 minutes, huh? 50 minutes you have taken, guys.
Till the time we can do na. And then
One person go.
chest number 8, please give the baby back. One more person can come.
1% is wrong.
You can also use plank to come.
You want to go?
One more person.
Place your leg here. Wait.
Chest number 7. Be relaxed. Slowly.
Put there.
Slowly.
Put there.
पीछे लाइन में खड़े हो जा, लाइन में खड़े हो जा, ऊपर खड़े हो जा, ईंट पे खड़े हो जा, ईंट पे खड़े हो सकते हो आप। बी कंफर्टेबल, ठीक है ना। झटका मत मारो लड़के, झटका मत मारो, आराम से करो, आराम से। चेस्ट में सही करो अपना। और कहाँ खड़े हो, उसके थोड़े पीछे खड़े हो। हाँ,
Chest number 8.
अरे इस पे खड़ा क्यों हो रहा है?
Balli to him.
ऐसे क्यों आ रहे हो? जय इट वोंट बी अलाउड। हाँ, ऐसे नहीं आ सकते तुम लोग।
Use the balli. Let's go there. Chest number 6, you can also come. Go.
Okay, one person will move from here. Then after
Okay, fine.
just number 6 come.
Pass this balli.
Pass the bandi. Just number 6. Abhi we will go. 4 sorry.
Chest number 6, you can come.
You go.
Hold the balli.
Don't place your leg.
Just number 5 you will go.
डोंट स्टैंड दिस टाइम। ऊपर खड़ा मत रहने दो।
Wait.
Change the side. Change the side. From
You can move to the right side.
just leave it.
You have broken the rule, gentlemen. Come back. Okay, you can stay there. You have broken the rule over there. You can stay there.
Stay
Chest
there.
number 8, you can go there.
You can come here.
You can come there.
You can come normally. It's okay with you.
जैसे वन आपके यहाँ होना चाहिए था, अभी होना चाहिए था, आपको सबको भेज देना चाहिए था।
Look, chest number 5 is there, na sir.
हाँ कहती है इस साइड से। तुम सुनो, हाँ बहुत सही।
Everyone who is going from there, na, from left side, you can go there, and put your leg on in between the balli.
ओके ओके ओके, एक्सेप्टेबल, ठीक है ना। आप कितने लोग जा सकते हैं ऐसे? आप यहीं रुको, सब लोग पहुँच जाओ। ऑल रीच अच्छा से मैं स्टे है। तुम खड़े हो जाओ, यहाँ आ जाओ तुम। देखो चेस्ट नंबर 6, या खड़े हो जाओ ऊपर। तुम दोनों नीचे चले जाओ, उतर के कूद जाओ। चेस्ट नंबर 4, जंप, रीच टू द एंड लाइन। हाँ, नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू इन दिस
Just
सिचुएशन?
number 1 to come.
1 minute.
Give me the bandi and plank as well as the rope.
Possible.
ठीक है, व्हाट इज द प्लान?
So,
Similarly, you'll be standing there.
Yes, sir.
You'll be going there.
Yes,
You'll be
sir.
reaching there, right?
Yes, sir.
कितने लोग चले जाएंगे?
so last there would be only one person.
Okay, chest number 8 stay there.
Yes.
Or all reach there. You also reach there. हाँ, now
Give me the big bandi.
So from here we can
make
make
now.
a bridge. Directly we can make a bridge from
Bandi,
there.
just number 1 you can.
We can make it and from the left side.
ज़्यादा पोर्शन इतना आसानी से हुआ था, तुम बल्ली में स्ट्रगल क्यों कर रहे थे?
So major task
Sir,
is
क्योंकि वो बल्ली
there to there.
प्लैंक उधर लगा हुआ था।
That was not major task. वो
One
आराम से।
person is there and another person is there.
हाँ तो
So there is a
प्लैंक
slide and
लगा हुआ था
another
ना
thing.
उधर।
हाँ 100% वो आ जाएगा ना नीचे।
तो फिर बार-बार वहाँ से प्लैंक इधर-उधर कर रहा होता।
तो बल्ली को रख लेते हैं फ्लैंक की जगह में।
बल्ली, वो बल्ली वहाँ पे रोल करती है ना, बल्ली
ठीक
के
है।
ऊपर बल्ली।
ठीक है, ओके, ऑल्दो यू हैव टेकन मोर टाइम बट यू आर एबल टू अकम्प्लिश द टास्क। गुड लक गाइस, चीयर्स फॉर यू ऑल।